Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are fine. So without wasting your time, let's have a look on daily use sentences. First sentence is वो अपनी आदत से मजबूर है. He is slave of his habits. He is slave of his habits. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि वो मुझे धोखा देगा. I have never even imagined that he will cheat on me. I have never even imagined that he will cheat on me. उसने हमारे दरमियान दरार डाल दी. He created rift between us. He created rift between us. उसने मेरे खिलाफ चाल चली. He made a move against me. उसने मेरे खिलाफ चाल चली. He made a move against me. बकवास मत करो. Don't talk rubbish, or you can say don't talk nonsense. मुझे इस सब की आदत है. I am inhabituated of all this. मुझे इस सब की आदत है. I am inhabituated of all this. मुझे पहले ही समझ जाना चाहिए था. I should have guessed it before. मुझे पहले ही समझ जाना चाहिए था. I should have guessed it before. क्या तुमने अपने बेटे के तेवर देखे हैं? Did you see your son's attitude? Did you see your son's attitude? तुम्हारी शर्ट उल्टी है. Your shirt is inside out. Your shirt is inside out. कि जो अंदर वाली साइड है वो बाहर की तरफ है, मीन्स कि उल्टी है. आज मेरे घर पे पार्टी है. There is a party at my home tonight. There is a party at my home tonight. तुम यहाँ दौड़ कर आए हो क्या? मतलब भाग के आए हो क्या? Have you come here running? Have you come here running? तुम्हें जो समझना है समझो. You may consider whatever you want to. You may consider whatever you want to. मैं अब बात को बढ़ाना नहीं चाहती. I don't want to stretch the issue anymore. I don't want to stretch the issue anymore. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have a headache. और I have got a headache. मेरे सर में दर्द है. I have a headache. Or you can say I have got a headache. मेरे सर में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द है. I have a really bad headache. Or you can say I have a terrible headache. I have a really bad headache. Or you can say I have a terrible headache. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am over the moon today. I am over the moon today. Or you can say I am on cloud 9 today. I am on cloud 9 today. ऐसा क्यों? Why is that? क्या तुम्हें भूख लग रही है? Are you hungry? Answer, you can say answer like this. Yes, I am hungry. Or if you're not hungry, अगर आपको भूख नहीं लगी, No, I am not hungry. I am not feeling hungry. ये भी कह सकते. क्या तुमने बॉस को बताया? Did you inform that the boss? Did you inform the boss? क्या तुमने बॉस को बताया? Did you inform the boss? मैंने कॉल की थी लेकिन उनसे बात नहीं हो सकी. I called him but I couldn't get through. I called him but I couldn't get through. उन्होंने मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठाया. He didn't answer my phone. He didn't answer my phone. आपने ये किसके कहने पर किया है? On whose order have you done it? On whose order have you done it? शर्ट सीधी करो. Take the shirt right side out. Take the shirt right side out. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day. And practicing that sentences on daily use, on daily basis. Thank you. Have a good day.